We're standing by now to hear the final clearance to launch from the range.
SRO LC, phase 90, T-minus 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Request range clearance to launch.
Roger, you have final range clear to launch.
Thank you.
Air Force Range Safety has
LCC, LC.
given a go.
Phase 90, T-minus 5 minutes on time.
LTC, roger.
Next event to occur will be at T-minus 4 minutes when Mars Observer will be placed on internal power. Mars Observer will conduct their final status readiness checks at T-minus 3 minutes. We're now at T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
T-minus 5 minutes, step 1 is verified.
Roger, copy.
The Titan core vehicle goes to internal power only in the last half minute of the countdown. And at that time also the
T-minus 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
At that time the Titan will also be armed should there be a contingency. Standing by now to take Mars Observer to internal power.
T-minus 4 minutes.
Communications is now at a minimum as we are in the final part of the countdown and there are no issues in work.
T-minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
The focus of our activity for about the first 15 or 20 minutes will be in the Mission Director Center as we watch the Titan III activities, and then the focus will switch to the Mars Observer Mission Operations Center where we will be watching the TOS and Mars Observer flight events. We'll have real-time data through the Araya
T-minus 3 minutes.
and the Indian Ocean Station. About a half a minute, we'll be starting.
T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
We'll be starting all of the launch data recorders here on the ground to get flight data.
SRO LC, page 91, T-minus 2 minutes, steps 1 and 2. Instrumentation LC, page 91, T-minus 2 minutes, step 3, AFLC, step 4.
LC, AFLC, step 4.
The,
FPSO LC, T-minus 155, step 1.
Verified.
this means that the
LCSRO, step
firing
1.
chain is being armed at this
Roger,
time.
copy.
-2, item 3, roger.
Roger. Ground instrumentation LC, page 91, T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds, step 1.
Standing by now in another
T-minus
half
1 minute,
The
30 seconds.
button will be pushed. T-minus 70 seconds. T-minus 65. The button is being pushed.
T-minus 1 minute.
The launch sequence is started.
Ground computers now controlling the launch through liftoff. Toss has gone to inertial guidance.
SRO.
Toss now on internal power. Titan now going to internal power. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Range Safety Command Destruct System has been armed. Fuel valves are now being opened. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Titan III rocket with the Mars Observer and America's return to the red planet. And the vehicle has cleared the tower. Roll program is in, pitch program is in. Both solids are burning normally. We have a very clean burn going. Flight of Mars Observer is underway. Good vehicle data. Both solids look good. Data coming in here to the Mission Director Center shows we have a nominal flight. Titan now going through the sound barrier. Air Force Station at Jupiter Inlet has acquired. Going through Max Q, going through the sound barrier, looked very good. A very clean flight. Winds at altitude reported to be light, showing very little perturbations on the launch vehicle. Our flight data looks excellent. Solids continuing to burn well. Data now coming through both Tel 4 at the Cape and the Jupiter Inlet tracking station. The trajectory is right on the money. Now 18.3 statute miles downrange, velocity 2,384 miles per hour. First stage has ignited. Both engines burning well. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. And that is confirmed.
Good,
We have a very, very good flight listening now
Roger, ready to
to
copy.
Skip Mackey in the Central Telemetry Facility, now confirming our second stage activity.
Solid jettison looked normal. First stage engines continue to burn well.
Copy.
Guidance steering is very light. Attitude disturbances are practically non-existent because we're pretty much out of the atmosphere.
Stand by.
And it looks very good.
Repeat.
Altitude now 282,000 feet, 54 miles downrange.
Pretty much straight line telemetry, which is what we like to see at this time. Both solids look very, very stable. Excuse me, both first stage engines look very stable.
MR1P. Roger, we'll be looking for a T plus 2 hour quick look base review.
Altitude 108 nautical miles. Velocity.
Everything's still
11,000
going fine
miles
here.
per hour.
Both engines look very good. Very clean and quiet.
351 miles downrange.
We have fairing jettison. All indications of fairing jettison were good. You look at the attitude disturbances, you'd hardly know it came off. It looked very, very clean, and both engines continue to burn well.
have radar contact at Bermuda.
Both first stage engines continue to burn well. First stage continues to burn well. Have stage 2 ignition and first stage shutdown. Stage 2 hydraulics is up. Looks like we got a good stage 2.